Hello my dear friends, welcome to New Tech Solution. Today I am going to show you how to create an YouTube channel perfectly and professionally. Let's jump to the computer screen. Okay, first of all we need to go to Chrome browser and we have to search www.youtube.com. Okay, so when we search it, we will go to the YouTube page. So it's look like this. Okay, so now we have to sign in YouTube. So okay, we're gonna press in sign in, then we have to sign in with our Gmail account. Okay, so if we don't have any Gmail account, we have to create a Gmail account. Just follow my previous video, I already showed how to create a Gmail account. Okay, so now I am putting my Gmail account password. Okay, so when password is finished, I put the next button. Okay, so they said I have to verify two-step verification as I already set up. Okay, so one of the text message already goes to my mobile, so I have to put it in here. So if you don't have two-step verification and if you don't know, just watch our previous video. I already showed how to do the two-step verification. Okay, then we need to press next. Then we are inside of the YouTube now with logged in. Okay, so now we can see the logo is here in the corner. Just press it and under that logo we can see first call is create a channel. Okay, so just we're gonna press that on. So now it comes like how you are appear. So this should be your profile picture of your channel. Okay, so now what we gonna do, we're gonna just try to upload one of the picture. How it's uploaded, just press in the upload picture and upload from your computer if you have one. Okay, if you don't have, make later. Okay, then we're gonna go to the create channel. Okay, so our channel already created. Okay, so this is the channel is look like. Okay, so we can see it's like the customize the channel and also manage the video. Now we have to go under the customize channel, then we have to set up something. Okay, so it's called welcome to YouTube studio. So we need to continue. Now we are welcomed in here. Okay, so this is the channel customization page and you can see in the corner this side is a dark theme, so because we did not put any picture here, that's why. Okay, so now if we come in the bottom, we can see it's like the feature section is called short videos, upload, whatever. Okay, then you can see the next one is branding. So its branding is our picture, so it should be 98 by 98 pixel. Okay, and it should be like that could be your channel main logo. Okay, so make it perfectly. And then you can see the banner, it should be 3 sizes in the one picture. So it could be 2048 by 1152 pixel and it should be less than 6 megabyte. Okay, otherwise it will not take that picture. Okay, so at the bottom then you can see the video watermark, you can put the video watermark. Okay, the next one is the basic information of your channel. So top is your channel name. Okay, and under the channel name you can see your URL, that's the unique code, and you can link 5 of the social media link with your this social media as well. Okay, so that means with YouTube. So we are under in the customization and you can see the bottom of the customization is said audio library. Okay, so if we press the audio library, we can see it's like the then you have to press the OK button. Then you can see thousands of like the sound effect, like music and everything is here, and it's totally free for your videos. Okay, you will not get any copyright claim for that. Then we are going to go to customization. Under the customization we can go to top is the basic. So that's the basic things. We now it's under my name, so I have to change my name as a channel name. Okay, so my channel name is New Tech Solution. So whatever you are watching right now, so that's the channel name. So I am creating that one now. So then publish. So when I publish, after that the channel already created under the no tech solution. Okay, so now we are going to view channel. So the channel is look like right now is like this. Okay, so no tech solution, you can see this side, and that side we have two options as well, same like the customize channel and manage video. Okay, so after that we can see the from the after home we can see the videos, then playlist, then channels and about. So channel means like if we link any channel or if we subscribe any channel. When we joined 2nd of November 2021. That's the basic information in here. Now we can go to the logo again and we go to the YouTube studio, and I'm gonna show you how you can upload a video. Okay, so YouTube studio, under the YouTube studio you can see the upload video, but that's not the good one. You can go in the corner, have a look, upload videos. So that's the things, we're gonna press that, then this dialog box comes. So you can select the files from your computer, whatever you want to upload. Okay, also you can drag and drop as well, it will all same way for you. Okay. Okay, so after that we are going to, it look like everything is fine. Now we're gonna sign it out, and I'm gonna show you one of the perfect channel how it's look like, and it should be, you can get like the all the information how it's look like. Okay, so now I am going my another channel, it's called No Travel Studio. So banner should be like this. Okay, and you can see here it's like a home, video, playlist, community channels, and about everything is here. So how it look like, the home page should be like this, upload video, so all of your videos is here. You can see the video under the video. Yeah, this is the videos. Then you can go to the playlist if you have some playlists. I have some playlist as well. Then the community, then you can put the image or pool or video, but you must need at least 500 subscribe for that. Okay, this is the channel, I already subscribed or linked, something like that. Okay, about my channel, this is my channel description, why I make the or create this channel. Okay, so here is the links of the social media. Okay, then I am going to my YouTube studio, and YouTube studio, when I go there I can see, okay, we are going to the customization. Then you can see the video spotlights. So what should be like, this is who did not subscribe, and for my returning subscribers for this video. And then next is the branding. Okay, so when we see the branding, this is my profile picture, this is the banner. How is the banner look like? It should be like 2048 by 1152, and in the bottom you can see there is the video watermark. So this is the watermark we can put. Okay, so the basic information. After that we can go, and it's look like No Tech Travel Studio. So this is the description, and this is the my channel URL, and this is my social media links. Okay, that's all for today. If you think this video is helpful for you, then please don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video. Until that, stay safe. Thanks. Bye.